गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स. हेलो, सब लोग ठीक हो? आई एम योर मैथ्स टीचर्स. ओके, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू योर लेसन नंबर 4, the part 2. I am going to discuss with you some problems related to this chapters, that is from the worksheet. Okay, तो आज हम लोग वर्कशीट से डिस्कस करेंगे so that you can, this portion will be helpful for your upcoming exams, isn't it? So next month you will have your first terminal exams. So I am decided to discuss with you with this exercise. Whenever earlier I am discussing this chapter from this part 04, that is counting in tens. Already discussed, isn't it? Okay, counting in tens. So this exercise portion will be very helpful and all important questions which might come in your exam. Okay, so this will be helpful. Some important questions will be there. So सब लोग please अच्छे से notice कीजिए, ध्यान कीजिए. Okay, let's start the class, student. Okay, this chapter contains counting in tens. We already discussed in tens. Suppose in 30s, how many tens will be there? 10, 10, 10. The 3 tens are there because 3 tens, if we added 3 tens, it becomes 30. In 90, how many tens will be there? If we are forming a group of 10 of each team, suppose total number of total number of students, say in your class total number of students, the 3 section will be there. Suppose let's say so 90 students, how many group will be formed from the 90 students? If we merge each group को हम लोग 10 student रखें, so 10 10 10 करके if the number is 90, we can find it that 9 tens together becomes 90. That means total number of groups total number of groups can be formed from the 90, that is 9, because 10 10 करके 9 group हम लोग form कर सकते हैं. So related to this chapter, some type of these questions will be there. This one is from numeral portions and objective portion will be there, because drawing करना पड़ता है objective portions पे. ठीक है, I will see you in the later period. Okay, first we will discuss fill in the blanks. Okay, so fill in the blanks. Here you have seen fill in the blanks. Some numbers are given, all are 2-digit numbers. Okay, mind it, all are 2-digit number here are given. First of all, I am 2 fill in the blanks portion will be given. In my left hand side, in my right hand side, I am divided 2 parts, and I am going to discuss the first of all this part, which is my left hand. Okay, this is 92, 32, 54, 11, 38, 63, 79. Okay, all are 2-digit number. Here we know that the first right hand side number is in one place and left hand side number in the 10th place. The first number will come here 92, because we usually pronounce the 92. First we pronounce the number 9, which comes from the left hand side. But whenever we are counting any numbers, whether it is 2-digit number, 3-digit number, generally in mathematics or in the numerical term, we are generally counting from our right hand side. Okay, then 1, 10, 100, this way it will go on. But whenever we read these numbers, 92, first number which is from the left hand side, we will pronounce. Okay, here 92 consisting of equal to some blank box is given. How many tens plus how many ones here? Here you have seen 92, 9 and 2, because 2 is in the 1 place and 9 is in the 10 place. So it consists of 9 tens and 2 ones. Why? Because the first number 9 from my left hand side, the 9 will come. Therefore it is 9 tens and 2 ones. That means 2 is in the 1 place. In this way we are counting. This is in 1 place, this is in 10 place. TO. Okay. If we divided this number, the 2 is in the 1 place, only 2 ones, and 9 is in the 10 place, that is 9 tens. So 9 10 consisting 90 plus 2, 92. Similarly 32, 3 is in which place? 3 is in the 10 place. Here 3 tens and 2 1 is there. Okay, so this type of question will be there. It is very important. So very important, सब लोग notice करो. So similarly 54 consisting of, before previous number 32, 3 is in the 10th place, similarly 5 is in the 10th place here. So 5 number will come first because this is 5 tens, isn't it? Similarly to 4 is in the unit place or 1 place, the 5 tens and 4 ones. Okay. Similarly 11 consisting of only 1 tens and 1 ones, because we can say that 11 after 10 it is 11, isn't it? So only 1 10 is there and 1 1 is there, that is in both the places 1 1, because both the digits are the same, 1 and 1, that is 11. 38 similarly, here 8 is in the 1 place and 3 is in the 10th place, to 3 tens and 8 ones. If we added 3 tens, that means 3 into 10 30 plus 8 ones, 30 plus 8 38. So this number consists of 3 tens and 8 ones. Similarly 63, 6 tens and 3 ones, isn't it? 6 tens and 3 ones. Similarly 79, 7 tens and 9 ones. So dear students, in this way we need to fill up these boxes. So these are the important questions in this part, in these chapters. Okay, from very important questions which I am included this part of the worksheet. Okay, मैं worksheet से इसको उठा के लेके आया हूँ. So this portion is very important. So upcoming exam में तुम लोग का ये वाला question आ सकता है. ठीक है. So all of you need to carefully notice this. Okay. So these are the portions. ऐसे करना पड़ेगा इसको. Okay. So first left hand side is finished. Now in the second part, right hand side, fill in the blanks. Same type of questions, but what type of in these questions? Here first number is coming, then blank box is given. First here in our part blank box is given and this number 7 tens and 5 1 is there. That means if we compare this two fill in the blanks, we have found that this pattern is completely opposite to this patterns in the previous one. This one is opposite to this one. That means in my right hand side, right one is completely in the opposite from the left hand side. Here first no number is given, whether it is 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit number, we don't know. But here in the solution given 7 tens and 5 ones. 7 tens and 5 1, that means 7 10 means 7 tens, 70, yes, it becomes 70, isn't it? Then 5 ones, 5 1 means 70 plus 5, because here plus symbol is there, that means we need to add it 70 to 5, that becomes 75, isn't it? Dear student, the first number is 7 and the second number is 5, that is 75. Okay. Okay. So एक hints मिल गया, isn't it? तो मैंने already one done for you, and let's do other part. Okay. Now 5 tens and 3 ones. Anyone? 5 tens and 3 ones. Okay, 53. Very good. This is 5 and 3, 53. Because 5 is in the place of tens and 3 is in the place of ones. That becomes 53. 5 tens and 3 ones. 50, 5 tens, 5 into 10, 50, and plus 3, that is 53. Similarly, 8 tens and 8 ones. The same number. Here we have found 11, 1 tens and 1 number. In the opposite side, 8 tens and 8 ones. The same number is in the unit place and the same number is in the 10 place, isn't it? So 8 10 consists 80 plus 8, 88, isn't it? So both the numbers, 2 digit number will be 88. 8 tens and 8 ones together 88. Clear? So we can do this type of work easily, isn't it? The last 3 are here. Let's do it. Okay, this one 4 tens plus 0 ones. 0 ones, that means no number is in the one place. So no number is in the one place. 4 tens, it's okay. 4 tens, that means the first number will come 4. But 0 1 means no one. That means we need to put here only 0. That means 4 10 plus 0 1. 4 tens we know 40, isn't it? Plus 0 1, that means plus 0. So 40 plus 0 is equal to 40. So dear students, mind it. please mark it that whenever we added any number to 0, the result always become the same number. Okay, 0 means nothing. Whenever we added 0, any numbers, whether it is 2 digit, 3 digit, 1 digit or 5 digit, 6 digit, the same number will come whenever we add it to 0. Okay, 0 means nothing, so the value not change. Okay, so 410, that means 40 plus 0 same 40. Okay, so in the unit place we need to put the value of 0. Okay, the 410 plus 01, that means 40. Okay, next questions. The 2 tens and 8 ones, the first number will come here, the 2 in the 10 place, and the second number 8 ones is there. That means in the unit place or in the 1 place, the number will 28. That means 2 and 8, 28. Okay, in the last portion same thing, the 9 tens and 1 ones, that means 9 10 means 90 and plus 1, 90 plus 1, that is 91. Isn't it? It's easy now. Okay, so this way we need to do this type of exercise. Okay, my dear students, whenever we face this type of problems, always mind it that these are the same question but in opposite order. Okay, the same questions here given, no need to be puzzled. Okay, puzzle होने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है. Okay, be careful so that the same number here just reverse कर दिया, because here 11 first blank portion is there is no numbers, but in this way the numbers will given first and the opposite side is equal, which is consisting tens plus ones is blank is given. That means this portion is completely in the opposite of this portion, the same portion but in the opposite orders. Okay, so no need to be panic, dear students, please. So this part is very easy one, and this portion is a very important questions, and the compulsorily, and it is to be noted that these questions will be, might be on and should be come in your next exams. Okay, so all of your exams, whether it is in the final term, second term, whether it is your half yearly exams, these questions will be there. Okay, so dear students, so अच्छे से ध्यान दो इस portions को and completely तुम लोग करना, and in your books any other questions or कोई भी questions रहा this type and the same pattern, please do it immediately. Okay, okay dear student, this portion is finished. Let's go to the another portions. Okay, let's go to the another portions. Okay, now again fill in the blanks in the same pattern. That is why I am not erasing this part of the problems. All the problem related to the fill in the blanks. This chapter's maximum part is in your magic related problems, that is called in the numbers and magics. Okay, first of all we are see that the fill in the blanks both are in opposite orders. Next fill in the blanks will start. Let's start, dear student. Fill in the blanks. Okay, 36 is equal to plus 6, similarly is equal to 40 plus 6. Okay, similarly 70 plus this number, that is 71. Similarly dash plus 4 is equal 64. Similarly 80 plus 2, that is the number 82. Okay, similarly 68 plus 5 is equal how much? Okay, let's solve this question, dear students. These are the additional type questions, not very tough. Okay, the simple type of questions, all are additional in term. Here the number 36 here consists of how many tens? 3 tens and 6 ones. We already done in the earlier portions, isn't it? Here 336, that means 3 tens and 6 ones. That is why we will write here 3 tens, that means 30. So 30 plus 6, 36. Easy, isn't it? First we need to break these numbers in the earlier portions. 36 is consist of 3 tens and 6 ones. Here 6 already written in the form of in the unit place or in the separate form. So the number will come here, the 30. That means 30 plus 6, 36. In the second portions, 40 plus 6. That means 40 plus 6, 46 we know. But if we think it in another way, in the previous fill in the blanks, we have found that 40 means 4 tens and 6 ones. That means the first number will come 4 and the unit digit in the number is in the 6 already here. That means the number 46, 4 tens and 6 1 consisting of 46. Similarly 71, 7 tens and 1 ones, in the unit place must be 1, because in the 10 place it is already written, because it is already broken in the term 70 plus dash. That means this portion must be filled, that is the number will 1. 64, here the unit digit number is 4 and the 10 digit number is 6. That means how many tens are here? 6 tens are here. That is why it is 60, isn't it? 60 plus 4, 64. The 6 tens will be here. That means 60. Similarly, the second last number is given 80 plus 2, consisting of here 8 tens and 2 ones, because 8 in the 80 is in the place of which place? 10 place. That is why 8 tens, that means 80, and the 2 is in the place of 1 place. So it together consists 82, is that it? 80 plus 2, that means 8 tens and 2 1 becomes 82. Similarly 68 plus 5. Okay, this number is different from the others, because here it is not 60, but we no need to break these numbers. 68 is already given. Okay, so if you have any face difficulty by doing this in your orally, then you can write this number in this way: 68 vertically, 68 plus 5 this way. 8 plus 5, how much? 8 plus 5, 13, 3. We cannot put 1 here because 1 carry will be, okay, 1 carry here. So 1 carry must be here. So 8 plus 5, 13, 3, 1 carry, the 6 plus 1, 7. That means 68 plus 5 becomes 73. Or we can do it in our fingers. 68. How many here need to be added? 5, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. Here the number result is 73. So this way we can do these numbers. Okay. These are all 2-digit numbers, and already some part of the numbers broken, isn't it? 8 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 6 ones, 7 tens, 1 ones, 6 tens, 4 ones, isn't it? Is in this way, but one is different here. This number is different. Why different? Because 68 is here, not 60. 68. That means 6 tens already in here, and 8 ones. 8 ones plus 5 ones. That means 8 plus 5, 13, and 60 plus 13. That is 73. We can do it in orally. Okay. Always we need to break the bigger numbers. Whenever we break the bigger number, it becomes easier for us to add it or to plus it. Okay. तो जब भी हम लोग कोई बिगर नंबर देखेंगे तो क्या करेंगे, उसको ब्रेक करने का कोशिश करेंगे, so that it becomes easier for you. Okay. So this portion, third portion, fill in the blanks, is complete. Let's do the last and the least. Okay. The portions. Let's go to the last, please. Okay, not fill in the blanks, but some questions are here. Some questions will be here. Okay, I try to write the question first. So sometimes, okay, need sometimes. Okay, so don't worry for it. Question number 1. Okay, there are 48 students in your class. Okay, there are 48 students in your class. Okay, there are 48 students in your class. How many teams of 10 students? Okay, how many teams of 10 students? 10 students. how many teams of 10 students each can you make? Each can you make? Okay, the question is different. Dear student, the question is different, but it is not difficult because we already know the pattern. We already know the patterns. Okay, in the previous patterns, fill in the blanks, we already do it, but it is only in the word form. Okay, so let's start the questions. First, read the questions carefully so that you can understand what the questions actually, what the question actually asked. Okay, that portions will be, you have to notice. Here there are 48 students. How many students? 48 in number. 48 students in your class. तुम लोग का क्लास में 48 स्टूडेंट था. तो how many teams of 10 student each can you make? Okay, 10 स्टूडेंट का कितना टीम ये आउट ऑफ 48 स्टूडेंट से हम लोग बना सकते हैं? The number is 48. Okay, the number is 48. In solution part, first you need to break these numbers. Okay, 48, that means 8 in the 1 place and 4 is in the 10 place. This means 4 tens, is that it? If we break the number 4 10 plus 8 ones, here the question asked the how many teams of 10 student? 10 student, that means 4 tens are here, not more than 4 tens is possible here because the number itself 48. If the number is more than 50, then 5 tens will be there, isn't it? So it is less than 50, so 4 10 is the maximum here, and 8 ones, 8 is in the 1 place, so needed to be right. So how many teams of 10 student each can you make? So the answer will be the 4 teams. 4 teams, that means the 4 10 are here, so not more than or not less than 4 is here. So the exact or accurate answer is how many teams of 10 student can be formed? 4 teams of 10 student can be formed. So this type of questions we can dealing this way. Okay, so solutions already. First of all, you need to mark the numbers. Which number is given? 48 is given. So we need to break this number 4 tens and 8 ones. That is 4 10 is the answers. That means 4 teams can be formed only. So hopefully dear students, you can understand this type of questions, and more questions will be come in this type, same in the pattern, because this chapter consists of counting in tens. So some type of pattern questions will be there. So I am just mentioning you one questions here. The more question will come, and in your worksheets there will be more questions. Okay, so deal with the questions exact like this. Okay, so dear student, hopefully you can understand this today's class. ओके, सो तुम लोग ट्राई करना घर पे जो भी क्वेश्चंस होगा, एंड एनी टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स you not understand, then message me or comment me in your comment box. Okay, so thank you for joining today's class, dear student. Have a nice day.